Welcome to DigiBuddy. In this tutorial, we will be explaining how you can delete your Facebook page in less than 3 minutes. Before we get started, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account and you are the admin of the page you want to get rid of. So if you have a new page, here's what you need to do. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select See All Profiles. Here you would see all your existing pages. Pick the page you want to delete from the list. In my case, I will select the demo page. Now go back and click on the profile picture in the top right corner again. Select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings in the menu that pops up. Choose Privacy in the left sidebar menu. Here you could see some privacy options, but we won't deal with it now. So next, click on Facebook page information in the same menu. Here at the bottom you would see Deactivation and Deletion option. Click on View next to Deactivation and Deletion. In this, if you want to temporarily deactivate the page, then choose Deactivation option. In our case, we will go with Delete option. Select Delete page and click on Continue. If you want, you can download your page information from here. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your Facebook password and click on Continue again. Click Continue in the confirmation window too. Now your page is permanently deleted. After deleting your page, you have 30 days to change your mind and bring it back. To do that, just go to your settings and click on Reactivation next to your page name. That's all for this video. If there's something you would like us to cover next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.